bus na bus yung atake, oh. Kala mo naman, maluloko yung hype na yan. Ayan! Ayan si Matthew Smith alias Victor Johnson. Yan yung walang yung scammer ko. Matthew Smith, a.k.a. Victor Johnson. Iniskam ako. Iniskam ako niyan mga yan eh. Ayan, oh, ayan, oh. Ay, balik mo sa akin 300,000 ko, no?
Hey, are you taking videos without consent? Stop that! Familiar. Ikaw na naman? Sir Matthew, siya po yung nanggulo eh. Nag-scandal sa party nyo.
I know.
So anong ginagawa mo ngayon dito, ha? Manggugulo ka na naman?
Ay, hindi po, Miss Minchin. Oo. Nandito ako para samahan ko si Sarah kasi maglilinis kami ng chimenea. Manahimik ka dyan. Eto. Yan si Matthew Smith, ha? Asan yung pera ko? Nasa 300,000 ko.
Wait.
Ha?
Let her through. Let her through.
Pero Sir Matthew...
It's all right, Miss Daniel. She's just a girl. I'm sure she won't do any harm. Right?
Pinapahirapan mo pa ako, ha?
You do know that I'm the boss around here, right? Nobody talks to me like that.
Wala akong pakialam. Ano, porket boss ka, mananahimik lang ako? No! Anak to ni aming Gani. Binibini marikit to, palaban ako. Kung akala mo, aalisan kita kagad. Hindi kita tatantanan hanggat hindi mo binabalik sa akin yung 300,000 pesos.
So what you're trying to say is that nothing is gonna stop you from stalking me? Is that it?
Tumigil ka, Marikit. Tapos na yung pagdidilulo mo. Tama na, okay? Tumigil ka na. Kung akala mo, madadaan mo ko dahil sa pagmumukha mong pogi, ha? Hindi na ako magpapauto sa'yo. Ito kasi!
Hello?
What's up, bro? Belated happy birthday.
Where were you last night? I thought you were gonna join us.
Kaya nga nandito ang kapatid mo.
Surprise, bro! Drew! Hey. What's up, man? Did you really have to work late last night? Or you just didn't want to come to the party because you didn't want to see someone?
Kayo lang naman ni Mami yung gusto kong makasama.
Ay, si Masaya. Arigato.
So, you know you can't keep hiding from Dad, right?
Ikaw ang paboritong anak nun. We all know I'm the black sheep of the family.
Huwag mag-alala, anak. Darating ang panahon, maiintindihan talaga ng daddy mo kung ano talaga gusto mo sa buhay. O basta patunayan mo sa kanya, ha, na tama yung business na napili mo.
Yes, Mom. Actually, my club is doing really well in Manila. Baka next year, magbubukas ako ng branch sa Makati.
Oh.
You should visit, Kuya. Makakalimutan mo yung ex mo. I swear, the girls are so freaking hot.
Uy, sabadiha. Sabi mo, ano ka ba? Ang kapatid mo, hindi mo kagaya mo na babaero, no? Tsaka isa pa, hindi pa yan nakaka-move on doon sa ex niya kay Pia.
Ito na naman po tayo. You know that's impossible, Mom. Almost impossible. Pia and I practically grew up together. Like, we're each other's inspirations. I built my whole dream around.
Okay, I get it. Hindi ka pa nga nakakapag-move on. Pero, kailangan ba talaga na ganyan ka seryoso about everything? I mean, come on. For once in your life, just have some fun.
Kayo talaga magkapatid, para kayong rosary. Full of mystery. Milya-milya talaga yung pagkakaiba nyo. Ikaw, nung 6 years old ka pa lang, napakaseryoso mo sa buhay. Para kang matanda mag-isip. Oh, ikaw naman. Natuloy ng binata ka na nga. Ganyan ka pa rin. Wala kang pagbabago. Paisi-isi ka, nilalaro-laro ng buhay. O sana ha, pagdating sa relasyon, magseryoso ka naman.
Yan yung ginawa ni Kuya. But ano ba talagang nangyari sa inyo? Ba't kayo nag-break?
Well, sabi niya, we're not meant to be together. Like, everything felt so forced, and we were only together because our parents were business partners. But like, to her, there was no element of surprise, no wonder, no magic. But that stuff's not real, right? I mean, some movies, makikita yon, right?
What if may experience mo? I mean, what if you meet a girl na ibang-iba kay Pia, but makes you feel alive? Yung tipong complete opposite sa standards mo of an ideal girl, but somehow this person makes you feel amused, gives you a feeling of excitement and freedom.
I don't know. Maybe.
Kung sa bagay, tama yung kapatid mo. Ang pag-ibig, hindi mo mapipilit yan eh. Kusang darating niya kung talagang para sa'yo, mararamdaman mo yun. Parang daddy ninyo, di ba? O, nung maghiwalay ang mami mo at ang daddy mo. Nung nag-pass away naman ang nanay mo. O, akalain mo, ako pala magiging third wife niya. Ba? Di ba? Ganda ko.
You're different, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
You're special.
I know.
Oo nga. Wala lang kutulon, Ma'am.
Mga anak ko nga kayo, mambobol. Sige na, halika na. Kain na tayo.
Okay.
Tara na, lalamig na to.
See?